Would you like to learn how to make some delicious tzatziki sauce? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
To make this tzatziki sauce, we're going to need some cucumbers and a few other things, but your exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. This tzatziki sauce recipe requires you to grate the cucumbers, but if you don't want to grate them, you could also chop them real fine. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little salt on the cucumbers and set them aside. The salt is going to help draw out some of the moisture. We're also going to need some fresh dill. It must be fresh. Why, you ask? Because fresh is best, beloved. Just chop the dill up semi-fine. Now I let the cucumbers sit for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to take a cheesecloth and squeeze all of the liquid out of the cucumbers, because cucumbers are filled with water and we don't want our tzatziki sauce to be all watery. But if you don't have a cheesecloth, you can use a fine strainer. Now I'm going to add some plain Greek yogurt to a bowl. Make sure that your yogurt is plain because you don't want to use the flavored ones. Now I'm going to add in the fresh dill as well as some fresh crushed garlic. Now I'm adding in the drained cucumbers as well as some freshly squeezed lemon and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, as well as some pink Himalayan salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. Once everything is in the bowl, then you just want to give it a good mix and get everything all nice and well combined. After that, you just want to place it in the fridge and let it sit for about 30 minutes or so that it can get all chilled up and lovely. And after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. This tzatziki sauce was really, really good. So refreshing and so flavorful. Tzatziki sauce goes really well on salads and dips. You can even put it on a steak or a hamburger. Super, super yummy. Me personally, I love it on a good gyro chow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
You got recipes, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.